I begin with the name of Allah, the Lord of Lords. Today we are discussing the current rapidly changing Afghanistan situation with post-withdrawal scenario of US-led NATO forces. As we all know that Afghanistan has a rich history that no invader could succeed. If we look into the history that 100 years back, Great Britain got defeated in the famous Battle of Ali Masjid, and later on in 1979, then the superpower Russia invaded the Afghanistan. Heavy battle took place over 8 years, and finally the Russians have to withdraw after leaving the heavy death tolls and of course spending their sources, and in the result the Russian Guard broke up.
Cover background cover.
The lesson was not learned from the history. Two decades before, the American-led NATO forces invaded Afghanistan, and of course, it is a very open secret that what all has not happened in Afghanistan. And finally, the one of the so-called single superpower, US and the West, they have to withdraw, and they are withdrawing by end of completing their withdrawal by end of this month. Pakistan has taken a very strong, firm stance that Pakistan would not be part of any conflict. Of course, Pakistan will be part of the solution.
What we do not want to be is part of any conflict. Now, if there's a conflict going on in Afghanistan and there are bases in Pakistan, we then become targets. We will then become part of a conflict which we were in the last 15 years, and we do not want. We want to be partners in peace, but not in conflict.
We know that Pakistan government has taken all out efforts, and in result the Prime Minister has also and the Army Chief visited Afghanistan and took the talks with the Ashraf Ghani government. Pakistan is also very clearly indicated that we would be part of solution, not the conflict. Pakistan is making all out efforts in peace talks taking place, and sequence of the peace talk taking place in Doha. Pakistan is facilitating American forces for a smooth withdrawal, and of course any country like Pakistan would welcome the will of Afghan people to have choice their own government. I would like to indicate a very important point here that Ashraf Ghani government should realize that after the withdrawal of American forces, they should also resort to the peace talk and the transaction, and the solution to end of this war should take place. Pakistan is very watchful on its border, and Pakistan since has paid a very heavy price. 70,000 precious life of our soldier and the countrymen were lasted, or over $135 million loss, more than that to our economy. Pakistan has now clearly indicated Americans that America should not throw any blame of their defeat, that it was only the history's lesson. Americans are our allies. We want that America should have a peaceful withdrawal, and he should consider us their allies, not their enemy. I would touch upon very briefly another adversary which has opened 8 outlets in Afghanistan to destabilize Pakistan, and their media war is on to defame the Pakistan. At the end of my talk, I would highlight here very important point that Americans, they know it, that a stable Afghan government and stable Pakistan would facilitate the emerging superpower China to have its access to the Central Asian, and of course the completion of a CPEC, resulting China emerging the single economic power in the world. Thank you very much.